my god, it's raining, oh my god, it's raining. Hey, it's raining. Raining? You know, it's raining. Why I have umbrella, this black umbrella? Today is raining. Okay, so today I'm just going to talk about how we can talk about the rain. Okay, so today I have chosen the topic, how to talk about rain. Okay, so today we will talk about the rain. So today I'm here to tell you about how we can talk about the rain. So for talking about rain, we have some words and some vocabulary that you can use and you can speak so that you can talk about rain. Just imagine you are in the shower, you are in the rain, and you have a lot of words to describe the rain. So don't worry, so I will help you to describe the rain. So one by one we will just talk about. The first one we have, at first, before we talk and before we start this video, I'm just want to talk about at first the meaning of rain. Rain means water that falls from the sky in the form of drops. Okay, that is the rain. So to describe the rain in different ways, we have some words. First word I have, drizzle. Drizzle means light rain, very light rain. Okay, when the very small dew points of rain is falling down on the earth, in that case you can say it's drizzling. Okay, so next word we have shower. Shower means short period of rain. Okay, shower means short period of rain, and shower just remain only very short time, and that we call the shower when you just go outside and suddenly the rain started and you can say, oh, it's showering. Okay, today is showering. So like this you can talk about shower. Next word we have downpour. Downpour means heavy rain. Heavy rain. When the clouds are so heavy, so black in the sky, in that case you can say today is going to downpour. Downpour means heavy rain. Next word we have cloudburst. Cloudburst means also heavy rain. When the clouds burst and too much in the large quantity, the raindrops are falling down on the earth, in that case you can say that it is cloud bursting, or you can say the cloud has been burst, or the clouds bursting rain is just going on outside. Okay, so you can just talk about like this. Next word we have pouring. Pouring means very hard rain. You can say it is pouring right now. It is pouring right now. Hey Jack, don't go outside because it's pouring right now. So in that case you can talk about, you can use to describe the rain in another way, pouring. So describing the pouring or very hard rain. So these 5 words of formally we just use, but informally if you don't talk about, at first here you understand what is the formal and informal. Formal means when we just talk about with our office officials or someone who is just older than us. In that case we just use the formal language. In informal language we just talk about our friends, our colleagues and co-workers. That is the informal. Okay, so informally you can use these words, bucketing down or chucking it down, or the heavens opened. Okay, so you can just talk about like this informally. Bucketing down means when the rain is falling so heavily upon the earth, that is a bucketing down. You can say the God has opened the bucket and now it's bucketing down too much. That next one you can say chucking it down. Chucking it down means very hard rain. Hey, don't go outside. It's chucking down, or you say it's chucking it down. Next word we have the heavens opened. The heavens opened when the rain is falling down so heavily that we can say the heavens opened. You can say the God has opened the heaven. Okay, now it's too much raining. So like this you can talk about the rain. And in the other words, don't always say that hey, it's raining. You can now say that hey, it's drizzling, it's showering, it's downpouring, it's bucketing down, it's pouring, the heaven opened. Okay, so like this you can talk about, and now you have no lack of vocabulary for talking about the rain. So today we have just discussed about rain, how we can talk about the rain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching.